How to change your Gemini credit card PIN. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the Cards section from the bottom bar to access your Gemini credit card details. Scroll down and select the Manage Card or Settings option, then look for Change PIN. Tap on Change PIN and you will be prompted to enter your current PIN for verification. After that, enter a new 4-digit PIN of your choice and confirm it. Make sure your new PIN is unique and secure. Once confirmed, the app will update your Gemini credit card PIN immediately. You can now use your updated PIN for purchases, withdrawals, or any transactions requiring card authentication. Remember, you can always return to the Change PIN section if you want to update it again. Now you know how to change your Gemini credit card PIN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.